This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Jeep Compass tail light, updated. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts. Gather basic tools like a socket set, Phillips driver, and a plastic trim tool. Work calmly and keep fasteners organized in a tray. Use gloves to protect hands while prying and handling the assembly. Take photos if you want reference for reassembly later. Open the hatch and fold the rear seats forward to reach the cargo area trim. Use a plastic trim tool to gently pry out the trim panel, working from one edge to release clips without damaging paint. Remove any screws behind the trim that secure the tail light assembly. Place screws and clips in a small container and photograph the panel layout to simplify putting everything back together later. Unbolt the tail light assembly with the correct socket, then gently pull the assembly outward to access the wiring harness. Press the harness tab and unplug it, then remove the assembly completely. Inspect bulb sockets for corrosion and replace bulbs or the housing if needed. Clean contacts with electrical cleaner and apply dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. Reinstall the assembly in reverse order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.